This is our EMT-7R. I've been asked by a lot of different customers about how to use the combination bead and crimp rolls. So today I want to show you how to change out the standard rolls for either the crimp only, or you can use the combination bead and crimp. Always remember the top shaft is a left-hand thread and it moves opposite of what the bottom shaft. The bottom shaft is a regular right-hand thread. Now, to use just the crimp on their own, you need these two spacers, and they get put on the back. And the crimp rolls have these cutouts, and it also has this, you can notice the one piece has this angled part. And what that does is it, on the edge, right on the end of your material, it creates a little tip in, so it's easy to get one pipe inside the other. So the part with this angle goes on top, and then you put your roll nuts on. And before you tighten them down really tight, what I like to do, just so I know that the rolls are seated properly, bring the rolls together, then you can tighten down. Bring that back up, and then bring your back gauge in just to the back of the roll, and it'll give you a nice finished product. So that's crimp only. So if you wanted to do combination bead and crimp, so to do combination bead and crimp, you have to take the bottom roll, you have to take this spacer off. Then the crimp stays the same way, but now this recessed portion goes on the back. Then on the bottom, you'll take your male bead roll, and that goes on the front. And then the roll gets put back on, roll nut, and the same as the top, roll nut comes off, this collar comes off, then again the recess on the back, and then your female bead roll goes on the front, roll nut goes back on. Again, same thing before you snug it up. Bring it together to make sure that the crimp rolls are mated properly. Lock it up tight. Bring it up to the back of the bottom roll. Lock it up, and that's our combination.